If you say I love continental, I love Burmese. I am a vegetarian. I'm not a non-vegetarian, so everything is veg. Um, and junk food. जो भी पाव भाजी, वड़ा पाव, जो भी दे दो.
So, hi, this is Toshi, and you're watching India.com and Bollywood Live. So, the much awaited web series Pavitra Rishta 2.2 has been making rounds since it got premiered on Z5. Well, today we have with us Abhidinya Bhave, who's playing the parallel lead in Pavitra Rishta 2.0. So, Abhidinya, welcome to India.com and Bollywood Live. So, first of all, सबसे पहले आप बताओ कि how you came into this glamour world, कैसे acting का मतलब acting की world में how did it fascinate you and how you started your journey?
To be very frank, I think the journey in my journey in this industry has not been planned at all. It was nowhere, even in my dreams, or even when I used to really think of what careers I would choose, acting was nowhere even in the options. It was I think it all began when I enrolled in a beauty pageant in Marathi, and that is where my journey started in this industry. Initially, as you said, as you introduced, I have done a very small. It is not even a small part. I think the characters didn't even have a name. ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स मैंने किए हैं, बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं और प्यार की एक कहानी भी. But that is how I started. I started as somebody who was just standing behind to fill up the frame. And then I got a very big opportunity in Marathi, and that is how I turned into regional industry. I was not from the theater background. So if you say I was just a normal girl who got a little lucky in first place and then worked hard, really hard to make my place in the industry. And after I started doing Marathi, I was doing back-to-back projects, and hence I couldn't find time to just get back to Hindi because I really want to get back to Hindi. बट पवित्र रिश्ता की वजह से ये गैप मिल गया है मुझे जहाँ की मैं वापस हिंदी में आ सकूं, तो इसीलिए आई एम ट्राइंग माय लेवल बेस्ट टू गेट बैक नाउ.
So, as you just mentioned that, first you got lucky and then, eventually Marathi happened with the Hindi television that was going on. So, now that you've again started with your journey, you must have felt the differentiation in the industries, the Marathi industry and the Hindi industry. So, what exactly, if you can, give a brief to us, क्या differences हैं? I'm sure कोई ज़्यादा differences तो नहीं होंगे industry में because it's all entertainment.
Yeah, yeah, you said it right. There's not much, any difference that is highlighting the two industries, or which really makes them apart. I think we all like, let it be any language, let it be Hindi, Marathi, Telugu. I think that every industry, entertainment industry, works on something that is basic. It's just that the language differs and the way people work differs. The hours that people invest differs, and the discipline differs. मराठी में अगर आज मैं किसी भी सेट पे वॉक इन करूं as a character, or as somebody who is playing a parallel lead or whatever, I think I'll be more comfortable there because Spot Dada se leke cameraman tak, everybody is somebody whom I know, I have worked with before. I know since that is the reason it creates a little bit of a comfort zone where it's like,
Personal comfort zone that that's a personal comfort zone
exactly.
that you've built, right? So do you feel that
Yeah, yeah.
I'm sure the environment is that you, because you worked more into the Marathi spectrum of the part of the industry, so you have that comfort zone built now. But do you see any differentiation in the type of content which is being created, especially in the OTT times that we are in right now?
I think Hindi is more experimental. Marathi is not. Experimental in the sense that we still are somebody who are rooted to a lot of things, and change is something that makes everybody uncomfortable, and so it does to the regional cinema and industry as well. Even though I say that, I still believe that Marathi has got very good content, because now if you go to see a lot of Hindi series that have come a lot of Hindi films जो सलमान
Yeah,
की अभी
not only
movies are
that,
being
you have been
adapted.
the Hindi, like the Marathi movies are being adapted into Hindi movies, and
Exactly,
also
exactly.
we've got OTT platforms also, which have like completely based around Marathi. Also, we've got
Yes,
recently there's
yes,
one that has
yes.
been launched. So I think even the regional languages, regional industries are also adopting and evolving with the times. Right. So
Yes.
one thing that I got to know that you've got a very straightforward nature, and because of that you had to lose a couple of opportunities. So what do you have to say on that?
It is very difficult to not be diplomatically correct and still survive
Right,
in the
right.
industry. And you know,
Exactly.
you know what I mean by that.
Yeah, yeah,
But I
survival is
think
the thing here in the industry. You have to have that straight face. So I'm sure for
yeah,
a person like you, it must be a little difficult.
it is. It is. The reason being, see, at the end of the day, I will not lie. कि, of course, काम पे तो ये सारी चीजें affect होती है because your straightforward nature is not taken in a good context. It is not taken in a way that she is what she is. It is just it just comes across as people like she's rude, which is not the case. It is what it is. But I think I have made peace with it. I think for an artist especially to know what your limits are,
Yeah.
and to make the right choices and to know till where I want to go. Because artist के बारे में ये बहुत हो जाता है कि in the path of in the bargain of just running behind things, you tend to lose your focus. You tend to not know where you're going and you just blindly go. Maybe you would end up being a superstar, I don't know. But you would look back and you would say that my journey was not something that I am. But I'm very sure if I will look back, even my journey would not inspire like crores of people. I know that my journey has been true, and I will say it is my journey. I will मैं खुद से आंखें मिला पाऊंगी if I could put
रियल
it in
से
one
रील
line.
वाला बोलते हैं ना, रियल से रील वाला. सो आप रियल
हाँ,
लाइफ में भी ऐसा लगेगा कि रील ही जी रहे हो. सो या आई एम श्योर, आई मीन यू so I mean, my next question to you would be that you recently made a comeback and you've been you worked with Pavitra Rishta, this big show, and especially it came out on the OTT platform, and it was a much talked about thing also because of Sushant and how things have been in the past. So how was your reaction how did it happen to you? How did you get back the role? How did you suddenly made a choice to come back?
it was not a choice. It was something that I think happened. क्योंकि जैसे मैंने कहा मैं जब भी if I am just at home, the least thing I do is just keep giving auditions. अगर 100 आए तो मैं 100 auditions दे देती हूँ, because I believe that is how it should be. That is how an artist life should be. I think I followed the protocol. मैंने audition दिया, look test दिया, और मुझे पहले बताया था पवित्र रिश्ता. I thought maybe it is not that पवित्र रिश्ता. It is another project with the same name. ऐसे कभी कभी होता है कि same name होता है लेकिन अलग project होता है. But when I went to reading, I got to know it is the same. And I have been a lover of पवित्र रिश्ता. Like जब भी मैं इंडस्ट्री में भी नहीं थी, मैं रेगुलरली जितना हो सके उतना ऑफ कोर्स मेरा काम संभाल के I used to watch पवित्र रिश्ता. So I was very excited when I got to know that I'm doing Manjusha, and just being a part of this project makes me happy. The lens, मैं कितनी दिख रही हूँ, मैं if I'm talked about or no, that really
That
did
really
not
didn't
matter to
matter to
me.
you. Yeah, yeah. It was just that
Yeah.
being a part of the show that you've been watching all along, and so I'm sure, yeah, it must have given you a lot of thrills. So how was your
Yes.
experience working with the star cast of the show, Ankita and everybody?
The experience was amazing. It was just not what I expected. I expected it to be very formal, और dialogues बोलो अपने, अच्छी तरह से काम करो, निकल जाओ, घर पे जाओ. But it was not like that. With Ankita and Shahir and everybody for that matter on set, we've really bonded a lot, even though it was just in the span of 1 or 1.5 months, and I'm so glad. I think everybody, more than, of course, they are brilliant actors, but I think they're amazing human beings. That is what makes them successful, or that is what makes them who they are today. And I think that is something that I'm really going to take from the set, that मैं कहीं पर भी जाऊं, मैं पता नहीं मैं आगे बहुत बड़ी हो जाऊंगी शायद, I will remember that this is how it should be. You should always be a good human being. And the experience was amazing. Shahir is very focused. He is so genuine when he works. He is a versatile actor. I loved him in Mahabharat, and I told him that as well. And Ankita is, she is a bowl of energy. She is just all over the place. She is so energetic, and I think that is what charges up the whole unit. And I think everybody, as I've said in all the interviews, everybody have made a genuine effort to just give Further Rishta what it was, or to just take it to that height. So I think since everybody worked genuinely, hence it has worked out to be so good.
Right. So I was just going to ask you that how was the day on the sets of Pavitra Rishta? I mean, how did you start? क्या मस्ती होती थी and all of that? Because एक तो responsibility थी, इतना बड़ा show और फिर OTT पे जाना, दोबारा से बनना. So क्या मतलब, how was the atmosphere all about? Was it serious or fun? कैसा था?
Serious तो नहीं था. Serious तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. Because Ankita serious होने नहीं देती थी. She's somebody who enjoys life to the core. And
she's full of energy, always.
She is very amazing. I think जितना भी हमने comfortably, अगर हम screen पर दिखे that we are so comfortable, I think it's all because of her. I give her all the credit. But set पे हमेशा of course, as you said, there was a sense of responsibility every time. जब हमारे पास डायलॉग्स आते थे, तब हम उस पे सिर्फ पढ़ के, we used to not just say it in front of the camera. There used to be a thought process. There used to be changes according to what everybody used to get in their own thoughts, and that is how Pavitra Rishta has become what it is today.
Exactly. It's all about the heart and soul that you put in, and automatically result तो अच्छा होता ही है. So Vindhya, अब हम थोड़ा ना personal आपकी life के बारे में, I'll just give you, I would want to know, because ये सब तो हो गया. So how does your day look like? I'm sure you look like a complete fitness freak, if not fitness freak, but I'm sure you have that routine. So how is your daily routine like, from breakfast to dinner?
Daily routine तो मेरा बहुत lazy है, मैं सच कहूँ तो. I'm a very lazy human being. Only I'm not lazy when I'm on set. Otherwise, I'm super lazy. I will just be in bed. I will be Netflix chill. यही मेरा चालू रहता है हमेशा. But yes, I am somebody who does yoga regularly. I believe you have to worship something that is given to you. And if you take care of it, and only then you would be able to do what you want to do in life. So I am somebody who exercises regularly, and I love to eat a lot of junk food. I'm somebody who has a sweet tooth, the sweetest tooth probably, but I just control my cravings. So I think one day at a time is my policy. But having said that, of course, I am somebody who has got big dreams, and I would want to achieve those dreams. But yes, if you ask me, I'm somebody who can find humor in pain as well. So I am somebody. मैं सारी चीजें पॉजिटिवली लेती हूँ. That is what my personality is, and I think that is why I could survive for so many years, and that is the only reason why I will survive for so long.
How does your dabba look from breakfast, lunch, and dinner? What's in your breakfast? What's in your lunch? And what's there for dinner or the mid snacks? So what's there?
मैं बहुत खाती हूँ. मतलब लोगों को बिलीव नहीं होता है कि वही जाता कहाँ है, लेकिन touchwood, thanks to my mom and dad, I would not give credit to myself. I think my metabolism is amazing. But my breakfast is probably poha, upma, and जो भी मराठी में breakfast होता है वो सब.
मराठी पोहा girl.
Yeah, absolutely. पोहा और चाय. But भर के खाती हूँ मैं. ऐसे नहीं कि दूसरा ले लिया, भर के खाती हूँ. Lunch also 1:30, 2 o'clock. I'm ready for lunch and I'm hungry already, even though I've had breakfast just now. 4 o'clock मेरे को चाय लगती है. चाय के साथ बिस्कुट खाते रहो. 8-9 बिस्कुट खा लेती हूँ मैं. उसके बाद 7 बजे मुझे वापस भूख लगती है.
What's your go-to dinner thing? What's there in the menu usually?
If you say I love continental, I love Burmese. I am a vegetarian. I'm not a non-vegetarian. So everything in veg. And junk food. जो भी पाव भाजी, वड़ा पाव, जो भी दे दो. I'm super happy. But also I love home cooked food. And मैं I have decided Saturday, Sunday मेरा junk day होगा और Monday to Friday will be home cooked day.
So, acha, now we'll get into your fashion side of your personality. So, what's in your wardrobe is the segment. So, what is your go-to outfit?
My go-to outfit recently, if you ask me, I have just started wearing gym clothes more क्योंकि मैं walk पे जाती हूँ. So it's just gym track and a loose t-shirt. मेरे husband के t-shirts is what I have started wearing recently. मेरे कपड़े तो छोड़ चुकी हूँ मैं मेरे हस्बैंड के कपड़े पहने.
लॉकडाउन के बाद ये सबकी कहानी हो गई है. एवरीबॉडी इज वेयरिंग लोअर एंड टी शर्ट और वर्क फ्रॉम होम में जैसे ही होती है सब ऊपर से चेंज करके. But yeah, the latest fashion trend that you're really obsessed with as of now.
I think cords, the like
the two sets, the quad sets.
Yeah.
Then probably what do you wear? I mean, is it a denim or a pant or it's generally anything what comes in your mind? Depends on the mood.
I would wear something like something that I would wear for a party, maybe a comfortable gown or maybe a one piece, and it would be colorful because I'm not somebody who likes black or white much. I'm a very color girl, so you would see all kind of colors.
So I was just going to ask you this question. Next question was related to colors only. Like, which color dominates your wardrobe the most?
Right now it is lilac and shades of purple, shades of pink. But I have also started liking yellow, which I did not before, and red, which I did not before again.
You're a colorful person any which ways, and lilac is the color of the season only this season. Everybody
absolutely. You know what? मेरी शादी जब हुई थी तब हमें ना येलो कलर का नवारी डालते हैं शादी जब लगती है तब. हम लोग दोनों ने डिजाइन किया था. नवारी थी lilac कलर की. You will not believe, and it looked so amazing. Even my husband was in a lilac sherwani, and it was like divine wedding.
That color wedding comes out so beautifully, and especially it has such a vibrance to it. So lilac is dominating my wardrobe also as of now. Okay. So what are you a denim person or you're a skirt, or I mean, what kind of person basically you are? No,
I think I'm denim and jogger person. Like मेरे अगर pants भी देखे आप तो वो baggy pants जो होते हैं. My wardrobe is dominated with baggy pants. I'm not somebody who is comfortable with skin fit. I am oversized girl. Oversized.
How many pair of jeans do you have? You just have to give a random.
50, 60.
50, 60? Seriously? Oh God, that's huge. So if you open your wardrobe, I'm sure it's full of
full of that.
Full of joggers.
Because full of joggers. My husband he's tired of seeing joggers coming in now. जब भी पार्सल आते हैं बोलते हैं अभी वही पैटर्न सब अलग-अलग कलर बस.
So that was great to have you, Abhinanya, and hope to see you again very, very soon, and all the best for your future projects, and thank you again.